Good morning, Namaskar, all of you. How are you? I hope you are doing good. Today, we are going to start with a new chapter that is Reggie Mouse Shrinking Clothes. Before starting with the chapter, I would like to ask a question. If I give you the choice of pizza and vegetable sandwich, what will you choose? I know all of you will choose pizza because it is good in taste and it is delicious. Yes, all of you like pizza? Okay. But tell me, is it good to our body? Is it healthy to our body? No. Instead of pizza, we must choose vegetable sandwich because it is healthy. Pizza is a kind of junk food. Junk food like chow mein, burger, lays, kurkure, etc. But are they good to our health? Are they good to our body? No. Because they leads to obesity. Obesity means to become fat. It leads to laziness. It makes us lazy. Junk food makes us lazy. It weakens our mind. Okay. Now this chapter is the story of a mouse named Reggie who likes to eat cheese and never played outside. Let's start with the reading of the chapter. Reggie Mouse loved cheese. He ate it for breakfast, lunch and dinner. Reggie's mother, Rita Mouse, was worried. Who was Rita Mouse? She was Reggie's mother. Now see what she says. Reggie, it's fine to eat cheese, but you should eat other foods like fruits, vegetables, cereals and fish. You should also play outside often. Here, Rita Mouse is explaining that Reggie should eat cheese but in a limited quantity. He should also include fruits, vegetables, cereals in his diet because they are healthy to our body. And she also asked her son to go outside and play with his friends. Reggie didn't listen to her. No way, Mum, I love cheese. I won't eat anything else. It's too hot to play outside. Instead, I watch TV. Reggie didn't listen to her mother and started watching TV instead of going outside and playing. Now see, after a few months, Reggie Mouse was getting dressed when all the buttons on his shirt went pop, pop, pop. Reggie Mouse was very surprised. Oh no, my shirt has shrunk. What he saw when he was dressing up, that all the buttons on his shirts fell down, making the noise pop, pop, pop. As his tummy came out. If we eat cheese regularly, if we eat junk food daily, we will also get fat. And then his trousers went rip, rip, rip. Oh no, my trousers have shrunk too. When he saw his trousers, when he tried his trousers also became tight to him. Reggie Mouse ran to his cupboard and tried on all of his clothes. Pop, pop, pop went all the buttons of his shirt. Rip, rip, rip went all his trousers. Oh no, my all clothes have shrunk. What's happening? What happened when he tried all his clothes, all his shirts and all his buttons of the shirt and zip of the trouser went make the noise of pop, pop, pop and rip, rip, rip because they all have become tight to him. Why this happened? Because he only ate cheese and he never go outside to play with his friends, so he became fat. Rita Mouse heard her son crying. She ran to his bedroom. Reggie, why are you crying and why are clothes on the floor? Oh, Mom, it's awful. My clothes have shrunk. Shrunk means to become smaller in size. I know what we can do to unshrunk them. Reggie, you need to start eating healthy food like fruits, vegetables, cereals, fish and chicken. You also need to go outside and play with your friends. Here, Rita Mouse is explaining his son to start eating healthy food like fruits, vegetables, cereals, fish, etc., which would give energy to him. And she also asked him to go outside and play with his friend. That afternoon, Reggie played football with his friends. He had soup, carrots, spinach, and grapes for dinner. Now his clothes were becoming unshrunk gradually. So, when he started eating soup, vegetables, cereals, etc., and started playing outside with his friends, he became back to his size and his clothes were unshrunk. So, children, we should eat junk food but only once or twice in a week because they are harmful for our body. Rather than eating junk food, we should include more and more healthy food in our diet, and we should also do physical exercise regularly to keep our body healthy and fit. To maintain our body, we must include physical exercise in our daily routine.